So today on this video we're gonna show how to replace the stock speakers right there. And first off, you're just gonna wanna, there's a screw down here, right there. Just uncover the little door, and then with the Phillips screwdriver, you also want to go and take off this piece right here. And also want to take out this piece. Next, you just want to go and pull up on this. Like that. And unclip this harness and that harness. Alright, with that apart, you can just slowly lift up and pull out your door card. Alright, with that lifted right there, now we can just go and start lifting up. Just like that. And this will expose everything. And there are the speakers. For the speakers, just 3 Phillips screws. One right there. And in the back, just remove the little clip right there. Alright, next you're just going to want to remove all this electrical tape and expose the wires, because you're going to be needing that to put on your new speakers. Alright, these are what I'll be installing, the new Infinities. You're going to need about 8 of these little butt connectors. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so you just want to strip these down so you have a connector like this and a connector like this on the other end. Alright, with everything hooked up, right there, we're just gonna insert it into there right here, and we should be all good.